This is not macOS, it is Windows 11, but it has a proper dock, widgets, a menu bar, and even the same cursor as macOS. Let's see how to transform your Windows 11 into macOS. But to do this, we will need few files which you can download from the link in the video's description. First of all, set this wallpaper as your background. It will instantly give us that macOS vibe. Let's change the mouse cursor to the macOS one. Open this folder, right click on the install file and click install. Now we can change our mouse cursor. Awesome. We are getting closer to the macOS experience. For the widgets, first of all install the Rainmeter app. It's quick and easy. After installation, it might pop up asking you to subscribe to Waqzite. Just kidding, but you can actually subscribe down below. Anyways, after installation, it will load some default widgets. We don't need them, so let's remove them. Instead, we will install this Rainmeter skin by double-clicking on it. Once installed, choose which widgets you want on the desktop. I don't want the monitoring one, so let's get rid of it. Looking awesome. Now let's make the file explorer transparent. Open the Explorer Blur Maker folder and double-click on the registry file. This will make the file explorer transparent. Nice. Finally, we will add the macOS dock. But first, let's get rid of the Windows taskbar by going to taskbar setting, taskbar behavior, and checking this option to hide it. Now open the MyDockFinder folder. Run this file and it will add the dock. Lastly, hide your desktop icon and there you have it. Your macOS experience with the dock, menu bar, widgets, cursor, and even the animation. By the way, here are 20 amazing Windows 11 hacks you might be interested in. See you there. Until then, peace.